Shwmae, Mrs Gannon ydw I, a dwi'n athrawes Cymraeg yma yn Ysgol Bright. My name's Mrs Gannon and I'm a Cymraeg teacher here at Ysgol Bright. I'd love to tell you all about studying Cymraeg Level A, Welsh A Level at our school. For A Level, you will have two of our amazing Cymraeg teachers who each will focus on a different aspect of the course. One will concentrate on the grammar and speaking elements of the course, and the other the non-exam assessment and the poetry section of the exam. There are 3 units of study in Year 12 at AS level. Unit 1 is the film study, where you will watch and study a Welsh film. This will be assessed as a speaking exam in groups of 3 by an external examiner at the end of Year 12. Unit 2 is the NEA or coursework, which will be a project of 3 different styles of written work of 1,500 to 2,000 words that must include a Welsh dimension. Unit 3 is a 2-hour exam which will include questions on the grammar and poetry that you have learnt throughout the year. In the past, students have also had the opportunity to visit local theatres in order to watch live Welsh theatre productions, visit the set of Round a Round in Porthaethwy in Menai Bridge, as well as help with our open evenings and IRD events to promote the Welsh language. So pam astudio Cymraeg? Why study Welsh? Well, it has been proven that learning a language can increase opportunities and choices. Evidence from across the world has suggested or shows that young people who can speak 2 languages can think more creatively, can multitask and solve problems more effectively. Having 2 languages means we inherit 2 cultures and 2 different worlds of experience. With a language goes a wealth of history and traditions. Also, it makes us nicer people. Research from Cambridge University has found that having another language makes us more able to tolerate differences in cultures, creeds and customs. Ag wrth gwrs, of course, more and more employers here in Cymru are looking for workers that can speak the language. Felly, what are you waiting for? Dewch I astudio Cymraeg Ail Iaith Lefel A yn Ysgol Bright. Hwyl fawr!